Hi guys, welcome to Tracking Success. Today I will show you how can we track Google Ads lead from submission, as well as I will also share with you GA4 lead from submission tracking. Okay, so at the first time, so I am clicking on the preview button. So this is our website URL, and we have to paste the website URL here, and then we need to click connect button. So right now this is our website. So now I am going to track inquiry form, and this is the form when a customer interested about our service and want to fill up the form, so we can track the data and send on the Google Ads as well as Facebook ads and GA4 platform. Okay. So we need to get the final URL, but this is not the final URL. We need the final URL. So I am going to fill up the form. Just I use the testing email. I just use demo name. So I am clicking here. Yes. Now I can see thank you message, and this is like our URL. Like this is the page URL, and I am going to copy the thing, and at the first time we have to create a trigger. We have to create a lead form submission trigger, and we can see this page under the window loaded, DOM ready, okay, and container loaded. So we can take one of them like window loaded. Okay, so if I go the variable, then we can see everything like page path. You can see we can see page path, thanks for inquiring. Okay, and we can use the page path, and this is under the window loaded. I can see on the tag manager window loaded and page path. We need to I need to find the page path, and this is the page path and window loaded. So where I get the page path in the tag manager, I can see in the page path. So we have to follow the same thing. Okay. So now I am uh, make a name, trigger name, lead form trigger trigger and save that. Okay, so now we have to create. So if we send the data at the first time on the Google Ads, so we have to go the Google Ads and create a new conversion action, and this is the website, because this is the website, that's why we can use website. And if this is the apps, so we need to use the apps. So as this is websites, so we can click on the website, and this is our website. Okay, that's great. Now we can see add a conversion action manually. So right now we have to click on the add a conversion action manually, and this is the lead form submission. So we need to use submit lead form and conversion name. We can use lead form submission. You can use lead form submission, and so we can see value option, but we no need to use because this is not the e-commerce website. They provide services in India locally, so that's why we no need to use like these topics. Okay, so we can only use this thing. I can see here, don't use a value for the conversion action. Okay, so we need to use that. And if you want to get accurate data, 100% accurate data, you no need to use every, so you should use one. That's enough, that's great. Okay, so we don't need to do anything, we don't need to do anything here. So now we can click on the done button. Okay, and save and continue. So we can paste the code manually. So I think if we use Google Tag Manager, and this is the advanced platform, Google Tag Manager, this is the tools from Google. So we will set up advancedly. We need to copy the conversion ID, and we need to go, now we have to create a tag. And I'm going to create a tag. This is Google Ads. This is Google Ads conversion tracking. That's why I'm clicking on the Google Ads conversion tracking, and I'm with. That's why I'm going with Google Ads conversion tracking. And can you remember previously we copy a conversion ID, and we need to paste right now here, and where we can get the conversion level, and this is the conversion level. And we have to paste here. This is the conversion level, and we don't no need to do anything because this is not the e-commerce website, I told you before. So that's why we don't need to use um, transaction ID, currency code, conversion value. Okay, and previously we set up a trigger, and we need to find the trigger and contact from. This is the trigger, contact from trigger, which one I created, and I am clicking here. And this is the content, this is the page path. This is the lead from trigger. Okay, I find it. So this is the lead from trigger, which one I created, and I am clicking here. And now we need to um, put a tag name like Google Ads lead form submission tag. That's enough. Okay, now we can save here, and we need to click on the done button. Okay, okay, now we can see, which one. Now we can see which one I created, submit lead for lead from submission, and I created the thing. You can see here. So this is inactive right now, so we have to troubleshoot that thing. To copy again. Now we need to verify that. Now we need to troubleshoot the event. So now I'm click on the inquiry, and now we can see lead from submission conversion action. Right now we are testing the thing. Okay. As well as right now we need to also click on the preview button and connect. So I submit the lead form, and now I can see thanks for incurring. And when window will properly loaded, then you can see the thing. So right now, can you see Google Ads lead from submission tag, which one I created a few minutes ago? Right now we can see our tag is fired. Okay, right now we can see our tag is fired. So this is the Google Ads like lead from submission tag. We can see troubleshoot now. So after a few time later, we can also see this is active. This tag will be also active. So this is the Google Ads conversion tracking for lead from submission. So the Google Ads conversion tracking tag is fire right now, this one. And so now I am going to share with you like GA4 conversion tracking. How can we set up GA4? Okay, so at first we have to create a like property or account. So I am going to create a property. I am going to create a new account. So we should use, we should click generate leads, and I'm accepting the thing. Create. And this is website, so that's why we have to like put the website URL. We can just put here new only. We have to clear the thing and create and continue. So now we can see our measurement ID. So yes, this is the measurement ID. We need to copy the measurement ID and paste on the Google Tag Manager. And how can we pasting here? And this is the Google Tag, and we need just paste here, and we can use the all pages. Okay, so Google Tag is almost fine, and now I am going to set up Google Analytics event, and this is our measurement ID, and our tag is counted already, and event name like lead. We can use submit lead. That's enough. We can use submit lead. We can use here lead submit. I think that's fine. So we can also use include user provided data from our website, and we can use the first party user variable. And trigger, we have to create a trigger for that, and already we created a trigger. And what is our trigger? Trigger is our like already we created trigger. Yes, this is the lead from trigger. Okay, that's fine. And we can rename here GA4 GA4 lead form. Yes. this is the GA4 lead form submit tag. So that's fine. We need to save that. And if I go the preview mode, so which one I already created, so is that working or not, so we need to check right now. So okay, so mm, everything is working properly or not. So right now I am in the contact space, and I am in the inquiry now. You can see this is the same page, and I'm clicking on the send button. So right now you can see thank you message, and this is the this is the thank you URL, thank you URL. So right now I'm checking. So yes, that's great. GA4 lead form submission tag is working. Google Ads lead form submission tag is working. That means our Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking and GA4 conversion tracking is almost fine. GA4 event tracking is also almost fine, and this data will go GA4 platform as well as this data will go Google Ads platform. And this, yeah. So that's it. So in this video already I share with you guys everything about Google Ads conversion tracking and GA4 conversion tracking only for lead form submission. So thank you guys giving me. So thank you, waiting for the next video. Till then, goodbye.